How do? You alright? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, welcome to Hull. So we're just at the Hull Humber Bridge at the minute. Why am I here today? Well, we are going on a P&O ferry crossing. And we're going to Amsterdam, or Rotterdam, and then into Amsterdam. I'm going to take you with me. I'm going to show you what the P&O ferries Hull to Rotterdam crossings like. So come on, let's get back in the car. We'll drive into Hull, we'll park up, and I'll show you how you get on the ferry. So come on, let's go. And now I need to find out where I'm going. King George, Terminal 1 Rotterdam. No idea. I believe there is a multi-storey car park right next to the dock. So we're going to park the car in there. Lots of pipping going off. And I think that's the ship there on the right. The Pride of Rotterdam, I believe, is the ship we're going on today. Now we're going to find car parking, so we turn in here. We go in here, I think. And up she goes. So we've parked in the multi-storey car park. Here at Terminal 1. And we are going on the Pride of Rotterdam. If you can see her through there. To the reception. Ooh, that was a long walk. But to do the stairs from deck 3. So I'm out of breath. But we've made it. I couldn't film anything in there because they made me stop. So basically you check in, you go through security. I got checked as always. You wait for a bus. At the minute they're not using the walkway at Hull. Yeah, so you wait for the bus. Bus has fetched us here, drops us off at the car deck, and you have to walk up. But wait. So I'm on deck 10 and I'll show you the room. So here we have a standard outside cabin. It does actually have 4 berths in here, which has got 2 Pullman beds up there, 2 singles, little table in the middle, nice little shelf there, a desk and a mirror and a kettle, and then some hanging space. Let's turn this down because it's roasting in here. And then at the bathroom we have the dreaded shower curtain, toilet and a sink. It's better. So yeah, standard bathroom. Obviously that's all your general information behind the door and your evacuation stuff. There is some, if there is 4 of you, there is some ladders here to get up, a couple of towels. But yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, it's be comfy enough, I should imagine. So basically what this cruise is that we are sailing overnight. We set off at 8 o'clock tonight. We sail over to Rotterdam. And then we have a day in Amsterdam. And we sail back through the night, tomorrow night, back home Friday morning. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. See what P&O Ferries has to offer after just being on P&O cruises. I know it's not the same, but we'll see, But I have got a little outside window, which is nice. As you can see out there. yeah, so I'm going to have a 5 minutes in here, and then you'll be in a second, and then we'll go and have a look out onto the ship, see what the ship's got. See you in a minute. Right, so we're going to go out now and we're going to have a look at the ship and see what it's got. We'll make us way to the top first, and we'll go and have a look at the outside deck, because that's the best bit. Come on, let's go. Key, have I got the key? Yep, I've got the key. Right, let's go. See you in a bit, Rube. All right. Deck.
Yeah.
That way and up.
Yeah.
Right, thank you. Right. That was weird. Oh, it's windy up here. See how lorry's getting on. Got some decks. 1, 2, 3, looks like 4 outside decks at the back. There's a bar in there. Got the P&O funnel. So yeah, you've got 2 identical areas either side. Absolutely identical. Right, let's make us way inside. So there's a bit of deck space out here at the back. A bit more sheltered from the breeze. And you can see the way we're going to go. I don't know if you can see the distance, but you've got the Humber Bridge. Right, let's go back upstairs. Have a look at this pub. So back up the stairs into the Sky Lounge. You see the bar. And the piano, might play that later. And this goes all the way around. Got all them ladybirds. There's hundreds of them. That's the helipad. That's the Sky Lounge. Right, we'll drop down now. Nothing on 10. So here we've got the driver's lounge. Then we've got Costa Coffee. Tuna melts. And some donuts. And then on the other side we've got a little duty-free shop. And then down to the brasserie, which is the restaurant that you pay for, the main one. Not the buffet. We'll make his way back because that's a dead end. So on the other side of the duty-free, and we've got some going stairs going down, we're not going to go down there. We've got the children's club entrance there. We'll go around the other side. I'll show you what it's got for the kiddies. And there you go, that's the kiddies. And we go into the show bar. So we have the show bar, which obviously has got the entertainment in the evening. It's pretty cool. The upstairs area looks like it's on 2 days. The entertainment with the band players. Actually, at the back of the show bar, there's actually an arcade, which is quite cool for the ship. And as you come out, you've got 2 cinemas. That's what's on Cinema 1. Never heard of any of them. Let's go see what's on Cinema 2. Right, it's the same, different times. Come back out. You then go into the Irish bar. Got sport on. And the shuffleboards. So yeah, the Women's World Cup's on at the minute, so the people are watching that. Right, we'll drop down to deck 8. So I've got the bottom show bar. And some games, which is the casino, I think. And you've got a downstairs to the area, which I showed you earlier. And through to the duty free. So have a look at the duty free. The reception there. And this is tonight's entertainment. Duty free at both sides of the ship. And they're queuing for the buffet, which is the kitchen. And that's about it. That's everything we've got here on the ship. I'll fetch it out later and we'll have a look what it's like at night and some of the entertainment that's on it. It just has to be done. Cheers. I don't know if you can see it, try and zoom in a bit, but that's actually Spoon Point. So here we are sailing away from Hull. Yes, I've had to turn my hat round because it's going to blow away. We'll go out into the North Sea now and over to Rotterdam. So we'll make our way back inside and we'll see what entertainment's on in the ship. Come on. So that's us on the Pride of Rotterdam now, sailing over to Rotterdam. I hope you enjoyed this little trip around the ship to show you what you can get on here. What do I think? Well, do you know what? For the price that you pay for it, it's quite adequate. It's a nice ship. There's plenty to do. The drinks are about £5.80 a pint. The food is a little bit expensive. Yeah, it is quite expensive. You've got, like I say, you've got two options. You've got the brasserie, which you pay for individual meals, and you've got the kitchen, which is a buffet. That were about 28 quid for all you can eat for one way. The Costa Coffee also does sandwiches and snacks if you want to get something from there. So yeah, it was a good embarkation, quite easy. I did get checked, being on my own with a camera. They did take me to one side and check through absolutely everything, but better be safe than sorry. So thanks for coming with me, thanks for watching, and please do like and subscribe down below, because in the next video we'll be getting up in Rotterdam and we'll be making the journey to Amsterdam, and I'm going to take you around Amsterdam. So make sure you subscribe, click the bell, and it'll let you know when I put it on. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again in Amsterdam. Goodbye.